Start with an intention of loving kindness. Finding the heels, lift the legs, and do a gentle shake side to side. Slowly come to standing and sway the legs side to side, gentle traction. Walk between the legs and turn the feet in. Slowly lean back on the tops of the feet to traction the sacrum. 3 pulses. Bending your knees, place their feet on your belly and pound out the feet. Pivot 90 degrees, create a shelf for their legs, find that perfect fit for the backs of their knees, cross the ankles, and then push the ankles down to lift the pelvis off the floor. Start shaking side to side. Optional hip points here. Find that perfect fit on the tops of the shoulders, the front of the shoulders. Start walking down the arms, squeezing as you go down, swaying, a lunge from side to side. All the way down to the wrists and hands. Option to also grab under the hips and sway from side to side here. Finding the heels, bring the knees wide. We call this happy baby, reaching one knee to the shoulder and then the other. Bring your feet wide to help with this nice opening. Straighten the legs up and then sway the legs all the way back down. Cup the knees and slide off the legs.